Are you facing problems with your heating or cooling? If your AC or heater is broken, you want them fixed fast. You want your heating and cooling to work when you need them. We are heating and air conditioning service professionals in your city. We can handle heating and air conditioning repair or new installation. Installation and maintenance of air conditioner, furnaces, boilers, hot water tanks, air handlers, oil to gas conversions, post-repair inspections, custom ductwork, and any work related to heating and cooling. We can do it all. All our work is guaranteed, and we are affordable too. Call us now for a no-obligation free estimate.